Welcome to my Vedic maths classes. In today's class, we will continue our journey on fast addition tricks, and today's lesson is part 2 in this journey, and here I will be discussing with you 2 or more digits addition. So stay tuned, I will come back with questions. As you can see over here, our first question is 57 and 46. So how we are going to add these numbers? First, have a look at my method and steps that I am following. I will be explaining also, so just listen to me carefully. I am going to start with 2-digit numbers first. So 57 plus 46. We will add 7 and 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. And then 5 and 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. And next step is we will add this 1 to this 9. So it becomes 9 plus 1, 10. We will write 3 as it is, and 9 plus 1, 10. So our answer will be 103. We will follow the same method here. 9 and 3 is 12. 4 plus 7 is 11. And then we will write this 2, and 1 plus 1 we will add, that gives you 2, and then write this 1. So our answer is 122. Following the same method in question 3, 9 plus 7 is 16, and 8 plus 8 is also 16. Then first you have to write the units place as it is. The next digit you have to add to this. So 1 plus 6 is 7, and then you get 1. Friends, with a little practice, I am telling you, you can do these very fast. Now, here we have next set of questions. Question 4. They are having 3 digits. So we have to follow the same method. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. And 6 plus 7 is 13. So you will write this number as it is. This 2 will also be written as it is, and this 1 and 3 will be added, so that gives you 4, and this is 1. So 1427 will be your answer. In question number 5, just follow the same rule. 8 plus 6 is 14, 7 plus 5 is 12, and 9 plus 3 is 12. So you have to just copy down the units digit, and then you have to add these two. So 2 plus 1 is 3, and then again you have to add this 2 plus 1, which gives you 3, and this 1 you have to write as it is. So your answer becomes 1334, 1300. And now the question 6, you can see there are 3 digits and there are 3 rows in each digit. In each row there are 3 digits. So we will follow again the same rule. There is no change. We will first add 8 plus 4, 12, plus 2, 14, and then 7 plus 5, 12, and 7, 19, and then 6 plus 9, 15, and 3, 18, and then again we will write 4 here, and 1 plus 9, 10, and 1 carry, so 20. So we will write 0 over here, and this 2 will be added to 18. So our answer becomes 18 plus 2, 20. So finally our answer is 2004. And in the similar way we will do this question. Just take a look. 485, 378 and 463. So 8, 5, 13 and 3, 16. 8, 7, 15 and 6, 21. 4, 3, 7 and 4, 11. And in the second step, as usual, we will write 6. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. And then 1. So 1, 3, 2, 6. 1326. That will be the answer. Let us take a look at the next question. I hope my explanation so far has been very clear to you. Here is the next question. You can observe there are 4 digits in each row and there are 3 rows. So this rule, this trick is very easy, and it can be applied to any number of digits and any number of rows. So I will just show you how to solve this one. 5 plus 9, 4, 9 and 8, that is 17. 4, 2, 6 and 9, 15. 3, 7, 10 and 8, 18. 4, 3, 7 and 4, 11. Now starting from the extreme right, 7. 1 plus 5, 6. 1 plus 8, 9. And 1 plus 1, 2. And this one finally. So 12,967. That is your answer. I hope these methods you found them interesting and you understood each and everything that I explained in this video. As I keep on telling every time, if you have any confusion, question, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.